Welcome to DD Garden TV. We are now in August and the troubles we have experienced due to the heat have begun to manifest themselves thoroughly in the garden. With these heats, the vegetables in the garden will have trouble attracting nutrients from the soil. In this video, I will talk about a fertilizer that can relieve our seedlings. It's not exactly fertilizer, in fact. Since we are not one of those who describe everything they get their hands on as fertilizer, we can only call it a top dressing that can help vegetables get nutrients from the soil much more comfortably. With the month of August, the heat that presses down puts our plants under stress, making it difficult to take nutrients in the soil. We can illustrate it as follows. It is very difficult for you to eat in a very hot environment, in the same way that it is very difficult for vegetables to get the plant nutrients in the soil in a very hot environment. What can we do to prevent this and to give our plants some relief? This top dressing that will relieve vegetables is tea, one of the drinks you consume the most every day. Within black tea there are substances such as tannins and theobromine, which are introduced by fermentation, which will help us in this application. These substances help our vegetable seedlings to get nutrients from the soil. By using this mechanism, we may have the chance to relieve our plant, which is stressed due to the heat and is now in trouble with nutrition. We have made our first harvests now, and in order to guarantee our future harvests, we need to continue fertilizer applications. But in the way I'm trying to explain, no matter how much fertilizer you put into the soil, the plant will have trouble getting it. With this tiny touch that we will do, our plant will be incredibly relaxed in this regard. We will put a handful of black tea in a liter of boiling water, let it brew for 6 to 7 hours. After brewing we will plow it and dilute it in a ratio of about 1/10, giving it to the soil, with half a liter on each root. If you do not want to miss such information, you can subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and if you have questions, you can write in the comments section. See you in another videos. We wish everyone beautiful gardens.